ಎನಪೋಯ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಎರಡನೇ ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆದ ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ಐ ಮಂತ್ರ 3.0 ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಎಚ್ವಿ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಖಾಸಗಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನೂತನ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಎಚ್ವಿ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎನಪೋಯ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿವಿ ಕುಲಪತಿ ವೈ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ಲಾ ಕುನ್ನಿ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲು ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ, ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಗೂ ಇದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವು ಆಧುನಿಕ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರುವುದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೀಯ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದ ಎನಪೋಯ ವಿವಿಯ ಕುಲಪತಿ ವೈ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ಲಾ ಕುನ್ನಿ, ಎನಪೋಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯು ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗೆ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮೈಲುಗಲ್ಲನ್ನು ದಾಟಿದ್ದು, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸೇವೆ ನೀಡುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾ ಸುಹೇಲ್ ಸೈಫುದ್ದೀನ್ ಕುರಾನ್ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಪಡಿಸಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಎನಪೋಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸೂಪರಿಂಟೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡಾ ಹಬೀಬ್ ರೆಹಮಾನ್ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದರು. ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಷನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಮತ್ತು ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಡಾ ಸುಧೀರ್ ಶ್ರೀವಾಸ್ತವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಎನಪೋಯ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ಡಾ ಎಂ ವಿಜಯಕುಮಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಡಾ ಜಲಾಲುದ್ದೀನ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು.
I would like to apologize to Dr. Vijay Kumar and all. Yesterday I just had a call with him and I was like, it's a red alert and I might not make it. And then I was like, I am going to come early at 6:30 or something. And Vijay Kumar ji graciously accepted that, we'll start at 6:30. And again I had to call and reschedule it to 8 o'clock. My apologies to all of you, actually, because of the severe rain and I had to attend to other duties. So normally we do come on time, so government do come on time and our services also come on time. So secondly, all of you over here are basically, technically if I have to talk, I don't have anything to talk or say about technology. But from the layman's point of view or from the government's point of view or from a normal citizen point of view, I always believed personally that the only constant in this whole universe is change, and technology is the biggest driver of change. If you see the last 2 millennia and the last 100 years, the kind of change that the technology has gotten or brought in to this world, to India and to Karnataka and even to this district, of course, it's unimaginable and it's amazing. Just to give you 2 simple examples of this. During 90s, one of my cousins had an appendicitis operation. We used to say appendix operation. We never used to say appendicitis. It's appendix operation for, again, in the layman terms. I remember it was one vertical cut and some 3 to 4 horizontal cuts. And first time when I saw it, I was like, brother, it's going to leave a mark for many years. And I was like, yes, that is going to happen. And it did leave a mark for some years. And over a period of years, when we saw, since I was also in the government and I happened to see, nowadays appendicitis has become so, I won't say anything else, but it's normal that you can hardly see where is the mark. We have to actually see where is the mark. And thanks to Dr. Sudesh Srivastava and his team, the same thing is with the heart surgery. Very end in few years, the open heart surgery, whenever we used to say, the thing about the marks and the tedious process that it has to go through and the way for the recovery and all, I'm sure the recovery process has also been lessened, and that is the kind of improvement it would get or it would come with respect to these kind of technological advancement, especially in terms of health. So the lives of people get better. So that is the major thing that we are looking at here. And from the administrator's point of view, I have worked in many districts, in Raichur,
I know it was the first case and there was some nervousness. How will it go? But it went absolutely wonderful. Patient is doing well. Yes. So with that, I must say, I was just Dr. Vijay Kumar for the first time got to really learn more about the university and its mission. And thanks Dr. Inobaya for having created this, the number of colleges that are underneath the university, the medical college, the education, and all the wonderful humanitarian work that is being done, whereby money is not a consideration. And so learned a lot, and really congratulations for creating something for the region. And it's not easy, we know that. But I think the mission with the idea that we're born here, we must give back as much as possible. And a lot of time people ask me, I had a wonderful career. I lived in the United States for almost 39 years and enjoyed that. Most people want to go to the United States. Why did I come back? And two simple words that I've always shared: the love of motherland and destiny. And this is exactly
some of the best healthcare institutions and healthcare professionals catering to the people of entire region and beyond, including the neighboring states. Alhamdulillah, thanks to the Almighty. For me, every new accomplishment in this direction is at another milestone on my journey to fulfill the dreams of my father, Anapaya Moidin Kunyi. It was his vision to make quality professional education and affordable health accessibility for the people of this region and beyond. I am glad to say that Anapaya has always been a pioneer of sort in field, whether it has been providing quality healthcare service or the creation of advanced healthcare infrastructure, or even for the matter providing free healthcare facilities, especially to the underprivileged and needy sections of the society. We have always been at the forefront. In 2016, Anapaya became the first medical college in coastal Karnataka and northern Kerala to install a robotic surgical system. It was a milestone, a groundbreaking achievement for our institution, and yet another opportunity to serve humanity. As we step into this new era, we reaffirm and promise to combine compassion with innovation so that every patient receives not just treatment but the best care modern medicine can offer, and at very affordable rates. I am sure the crisp documentary journey of Anapaya Robo has already showcased and put in perspective Anapaya's zeal to make ultra-modern medical infrastructure and healthcare accessibility to all. Hundreds of patients have benefited completely free of cost through government health schemes. Now, with increasing demand and expanding applications across the other specialities, a third generation robotic system, SSI Mantra version 3, has been now installed, making Anapaya once again the first hospital in the region with a 2 robotic system, and the pioneer in starting robotic cardiac surgery in coastal Karnataka.